I'm Anakim Tutukul, nickname Jedi 6/3, number 4, and today we are going to make Tom Yum seafood. Let's see the ingredients. So we have chili, mushroom, lime pepper leaf, lime, shallot, lemongrass, galangal, tomato, tom yum cube, shrimp, squid, coriander, coconut sugar, coconut milk and fish sauce, bowl of water. So let's start. So first off, we put 1 bowl of water. Wait the water to be boiled. It's boiled now. Next, add the tom yum cube. Put it in and let it dissolve. When it dissolves already, put the galangal. Next, add lemongrass. Put it as many as you can. Add the shallot. Add the mushroom. Add the tomato. Next, add the chili. This is optional because if you don't like spicy, you can't put it. Next, we will add kaffir lime leaves. Next, add coconut sugar. Optional too. If you like sweet, you can put it as much as you can. I like a little bit of sweet, so let's put it a little bit much. Next, add shrimp. Next, add squid. Give it a little bit of mix. And next, we will put some fish sauce. Next, add coconut milk. If you don't have coconut milk, you can use regular milk instead. That's very tasty. Looks like the soup is ready, so let's turn it off and put it in our bowl. And now we will add flavor by putting lime. Add coriander to make it more beautiful. And add more chili to make it more colorful. And now our tom yum seafood is ready to serve. And now it's time to taste it. It's very tasty. If we eat it with rice, it will be very perfect. And bye bye. I will need to eat it up because it's very tasty. So goodbye.